did you do? Really?
I need your keys because I'm servicing your car. Please.
Why?
Because I'm servicing your car today.
Oh, okay. Are you going to pick me up then?
Yeah, I'll pick you up. What's gravy, the navy little babies? It's your boy Groovy Divvy bringing you another movie. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Alex here, back from Royal Street Krew. Today we are doing a little surprise for Cara, which you've seen on the channel before, which is my girlfriend. I've got some wheels here for her Fiesta. Yeah, you might think it's only a Fiesta, but it's getting a wrap job from a mate of mine. Shout out to Sly ST. I'll chuck his Instagram just here. And I'll show you what we got. I'm going to get tyres fitted to them now. And I'm going to surprise her this afternoon. I'm going to take her car while she's at work and put them on. So I'll show you what we got. Their rotors are 17 by 7.5 plus 38 in matte black. So they look pretty damn good. And they will make Fiesta look absolutely sensational. Also getting some white line lowering springs, 35mm front and rear, so just to make it sit at the top of the tyre, because that will look pretty good. Apart from that, I'm fixing a mate's car. Zach's going to bring his car around soon, and we're going to do a service and fix some wheel studs and stuff on that car. So I'll take it to the wheel shop now, and then we get into the maintenance stuff after that. Alright guys, just picked up the wheels after getting the tyres fitted. I don't think she has any idea. I just told her I'm going to service her car today because it is due. But yeah, they look pretty good. Not bad. I got a bit of extra meat. Make it meaty, boys, because it's not going to sit too far out, so I don't want to get stretchies and they look stupid. So we'll get home now. I'm just getting some food, and we'll bolt the wheels on and see how she looks. This is what she looks like at the moment. This is stock Fiesta, you know, nothing special. We've got the new wheels, again, rotor racers are going on. They're going to look sensational on the orange. Definitely going to spice it up a little bit. You might be thinking, why do this to a Fiesta? But, you know, why put wheels on any other car to make it look better? So, I'll chuck the wheels on now, and I'll check back in you when they're on, and we'll get a quick look what they look like. Just a quick size comparison before we chuck them on. Left hand side I've got 16s. They are a 195 tyre. These are 17s on a 215 tyre. So they're a 215 40 and they're a 195 50. So a little top here. Skinny boys, thick boys. So there's actually a decent amount of more tyre there, which will be good. Not you need the grip on this power machine, but yeah, it looks good. Thick boys. Just chucked the wheels back on the Fiesta and on the ground. We did switch to rotor racers, like you see at the start of the video. I've just swapped them around and turned the car around, so I'll close the garage door. I'll get her to come in, so I've serviced it. She needs some new tyres, and then I'll show her new tyres. So I'll show you what it looks like now. So I'll put a comparison pic just here, and then what it looch like now. It looks absolutely awesome. I also chucked in a pair of IVAC 35mm lowering springs. Makes it fit really nice, but they look absolutely awesome. Definitely changes the look of the car. Next, to surprise her, I'm going to paint all of her trims, all the grey ones, and wrap all of these chrome moulds black. And just do a few other little mods to it. But a quick walk around. She is going to be absolutely stoked. So I'm going to go pick her up from work now, and we'll bring her home and act like we had to. She needs new tyres. Alright guys, I just finished up her service.
Why are you filming?
Because I just serviced your car. Your car needs tyres, by the way.
Does it?
Yeah.
When can we get there?
Hopefully next week maybe. Right, did you see new tyres?
Huh?
You see new tyres?
What did you do? Really?
I dressed her up a bit because she was looking a bit plain.
Oh wow.
You like them?
Yeah, they're cool.
Next I thought I could just do some trim painting and stuff to make them all black.
Still the same.
No, no.
Oh, you're gonna do it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love them. Oh, it looks weird.
Yeah. And I want to do your interior bits black as well.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh, Ellie. Thank you. I love it.
I thought you might.
Oh my god, they're so different.
So as you can see, she's very excited. From stock wheels to these big change, especially on a Fiesta, because you don't really see
They look really weird.
modified
They look
Fiestas.
big on my car.
It looks like a little bit of a rally car now, but as I said before, this car is getting wrapped, and I'm going to do a few little things to it just to make it look nice, even though it is a 1.6 litre. But before she upgrades to the RS, I just want to make her car look a bit better. So overall thoughts on the new wheels?
I don't know, they look really weird. I'm not used to them. They look good.
Yeah, they do look good. They look like a rally spec. Awesome. Well, you got some new tyres on your car now, so you don't have to wait till next week.
Babe. Oh yeah, you do got new tyres too, hey? It looks so good now.
Alright guys, so that is going to close out this video. As you can see, she very, very excited about that. I did think it was going to go like that, but yeah, so she's excited. She's got some new wheels on her car. She's happy. Some brand new tyres, so they'll last a while. I just gave it the little RSK touch, you know. But yeah, so make sure you like, subscribe, leave your comments, because I have been seeing you guys comment on all the posts lately, and especially DMing us on Instagram and stuff. But yeah, so thanks for all that, and remember, RSK's a family, spread the word.